Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're talking about wealthy affiliate. Alright, so if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're somebody who's interested in making money with affiliate marketing. You're new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you've started it and you've just been struggling. You haven't made any money yet as an affiliate. So, wealthy affiliate. If you're not familiar with wealthy affiliate, it's an online platform where you can join for free, right? And then you can learn how to start making money as an affiliate. Now, it's a free side to it, and then once you get to a certain point, yes, you can upgrade, and then it's a paid membership, and I believe it's still at 49, basically 50 bucks a month, and you get all of these, extra trainings and all of these extra tools, and you get to be more involved with the community and ask questions and interact with other people, right? So the question is, do you need to be a member of Wealthy Affiliate to be successful with affiliate marketing? And my opinion is no, you do not have to be a member of Wealthy Affiliate. All right. Now, to be honest, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the way to get started is simple, right? You need a product that you want to promote, right? That you can become an affiliate of, right? And you need a way to promote it. You need traffic to this offer. That's it. There's tons and tons of free content on YouTube, free ebooks, Facebook groups, you name it, that shares, how to find the right products and how to get traffic to your offer, right? If you can do those things, you'll be fine. You should start getting commissions, right? But I think where a lot of people go wrong is because they get that information overload, right? Because when you do it, like I said, like go to YouTube and go to Facebook and TikTok, all that stuff, you're going to get so many different strategies, right? You're going to get so many different methods of doing it, whether it be like where to promote. Oh, promote on YouTube, promote on Facebook, promote on TikTok. Oh, you should build a list. You shouldn't build a list. You should, do all this stuff, create a blog, all this different stuff. And a lot of people fail because it's like overwhelming, right? They're like, I don't even know where to start. Like, I don't know where should I begin? And if you're not the type of person that can just focus and zone out and focus on one method, one strategy, then maybe you want to take a look at Wealthy Affiliate. Why? Because Wealthy Affiliate is set up in a way that it just takes you step by step, right? It shows you what to do, like do this now, do this next. All right, when you're done with this, then you want to do that. This is how to pick a niche. This is how to research. This is how to find keywords, that so on and so on, right? It's all like laid out for you step by step. That is where I would recommend, being a Wealthy Affiliate member, even a free one, right? Definitely start out as a free member and see if affiliate marketing is what you really want to do, because you might not really want to do it. But if it is, definitely join as a free member, do everything that you're supposed to do, and then ask yourself, once you start making a little money as a free member, then I would reinvest what you earn and upgrade and get you a membership. Because no, you don't need to be a member of Wealthy Affiliate, but is the Wealthy Affiliate platform worth it? Absolutely. It's definitely worth it. Even at 50 bucks a month, all of the tools that you get, the training that you get is definitely worth it. But you don't need it, right? If you can if you have an idea of what kind of niche you want to be in, right? There's so many different places to find products to promote. It's ridiculous. All right. You could just go to Google and type in whatever you want to promote. Type in health and fitness affiliate programs. Type in cooking affiliate programs. basketball affiliate programs, pets affiliate programs. I mean, come on now. And all you gotta do is just sign up with these programs. They're gonna give you a link that you want to promote, and then you need to figure out how do you want to promote, right? I always recommend start a YouTube channel, right? That's my thing. But maybe you want to promote on Facebook. Maybe now TikTok's so popular, create a TikTok, right? But however you want to start it, you want to be able to focus on the method and go hard with it, and don't be pulled in too many different directions, because eventually you end up doing nothing, right? And then you won't make any money, and then you'll be like, yo, affiliate marketing sucks. All right, so that's all you need to do to get started. Is Wealthy Affiliate worth it? Absolutely. Do you need it? Nah. So it's up to you. If you want to check out Wealthy Affiliate and try it out absolutely free, there's a link in the description. You already know the drill. Find it, click on it, sign up, take a look around, and see if it's for you. All right, so comment below, let me know if you got any questions. I'll try to answer them for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.